Hey dolls, so today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these really simple effortless curls on this unit. But something told me to bring this unit and it went perfect with my outfit for the night. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. Y'all know the vibes, straight into it. So now let's get into the details of this unit. I will be wearing Nadula's Breathable V Body Wave Wig, 150% density, and this is in 24 inches. So if you guys are interested in any of the details, make sure you check the description box below. And of course, I have to show you guys the basic construction of this unit. We have our clips at the top, so it's nice and secure, our combs on the side, and also a comb for security at the bottom. So this completes my final look for this video. I was ready to take my pictures in just enough time, and I'm so happy with how this hair came out. It was so natural and very lightweight, and I didn't have to worry about it frizzing up throughout the night. So I'm really pleased with this unit. If you guys are interested in any of the details or tools that I use in this video, make sure you check the description box below. And check out this unit. I'll have some coupon codes down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Nadula.